All right, well, this next story comes to us from ASME, which is the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Now, innovation, of course, is always of interest to those of us in manufacturing, and it's something that ASME members really recognize very clearly and try to support as much as they can, this idea of innovation in engineering. Now, annually, the ASME presents an innovation showcase known as the iShow, and it happens in India, in Kenya, and in the United States. At ASME's recent India event, 3 individual teams of engineers were named as grand prize winners. I want to tell you who they are because they had some really interesting experiments, really interesting projects that they worked on. I'll give a little shout out to these folks. The first team, Sanskriti Dal and Saif Sheikh, I believe is how I'm pronouncing it, hopefully, properly. If I'm not, I apologize. They're with Tinkerbell Labs, and they created Annie, which is a low-cost audio-tactile device that enables the visually impaired to teach themselves Braille.
Okay.
Pretty cool.
Interesting.
Pretty cool. The next team is Vinayak Nandalaik and Ram Mohan of Yostra Labs, who built Sparsh, which is a multi-parameter, portable, and inexpensive medical diagnostic tool. And finally, we have Balaji Tigala and Manisha Laroja of Brune Health, and they developed an affordable wearable device that aims to diminish India's chronically high neonatal mortality rate. A major problem in India and many third world countries, of course. Now, all these creative and, I mean, clearly, obviously important inventions really help improve the quality of human life, and that's probably really the highest goal of any engineer, if you think about it.
Sure.
I mean, engineers do so many things in quality and outside of the world of quality. Improving human life, through these devices, through medical devices, through better health initiatives and projects, really probably about as important a thing as you can imagine that an engineer could do with his or her career.
Right,
so
right.
These folks really
very neat stuff.
Oh, really deserve a lot of credit for that. So for more information on this event, as well as the iShow competitions in Kenya and the United States, visit online at thisishardware.org or click on the story link just below or just to the right of this video player. Actually, just below, I think, are where all the stories are. So click down there and check it out.
Cool.